Still have the risk for some strong to severe storms later on this evening. Strong winds will be our greatest concern. There is still a low risk for a tornado, likely a brief spin up, but overall, here's what we're looking at in our hour by hour forecast. You can see most of our thunderstorm activity happening in about an hour or so between 8 and 10 o'clock. We'll see the chance for some thunder in the Miami Valley. Rain will continue and we'll start to see just cloudy conditions shortly after midnight. Temperatures dropping into the 40s overnight. On our Troy Stouter Center camera, we're dealing with the cloudy conditions. Rain has moved through. The parking lot is wet there. And on our Go Well Auto Auction camera, cloudy conditions right now in Dayton. Temperatures have dropped 2 degrees. We're now at 60 degrees. And the wind is out of the south. Rather light for now. That's going to change though. Looking at temperatures across the region, we are still in the upper 50s to the north, still in the 60s, the lower 60s for areas along and south of I-70, 62 in Springboro, 61 in Xenia right now. A look at live Doppler 2 HD. We have some of those rain showers, mostly light, a bit of a brief heavy downpour just in southern Butler County, just north of Cincinnati, kind of along 275 there. You can see a lot of rain is moving up out of the south. That's going to move into the southern portion of the Miami Valley, clipping likely really the south and eastern half of our region. So we are looking at some periods of heavy rainfall. The good news is this first round isn't going to be very unstable. It's going to be some rain and hopefully will kind of weaken the atmosphere for any of these thunderstorms that move in later as they're trying to develop. Hopefully they won't be able to last too long with all of this rainfall out ahead of it. Looking at our severe weather index, or severe weather warnings, nothing for the Miami Valley just yet, but we are dealing with flooding across areas of northern Kentucky. That's going to be the biggest concern, is a flood watch that is in place. We have some severe thunderstorm warnings into Kentucky and even a tornado warning there in Kentucky. For now in the Miami Valley, we're still tracking a warm front pushing to the north. That's where all of that rain is coming from that I just showed you. As that rain moves into the Miami Valley, some storms may develop very scattered across the Miami Valley. It's going to be this low pressure system that we watch closely though. As the low tracks through the Miami Valley, we can sometimes get a brief spin up tornado, so that's what we're watching very closely. It doesn't happen every time though, but we just want you to be weather aware tonight. Looking at our severe weather outlook, it's areas along I-70 and south of I-70 where we do have that marginal risk for severe weather. With those storms in the region, we could get some wind gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour, and winds will stay gusty as the cold front moves through. As the low tracks off to the east, we are going to get some strong winds into Friday morning. Gusts anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour. No major issues from this wind, except it might wake you up even once the rain has left the region. And we'll stay breezy into Friday as well, with winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight's low 43 degrees, some thunderstorms once again. Tomorrow 50 degrees for your high, a bit cooler. It will be breezy, but we are looking at more sunshine in the forecast tomorrow. Notice temperatures dropping into the weekend. We'll see highs in the 40s, and yes, that is a chance for snow on Saturday. And then Sunday, a bit more sunshine, but temperatures warming back up as we look ahead to next